Okay, so I got my mash coming out, going to the pump down here, coming up through this flow meter. I got it set to a little bit of gallon, about a gallon per minute. I mean, you can go up to a gallon and a half per minute or whatever, but and it's coming up, recycling right back into here. So as you can see, see this hose right here, just recirculating the mash all right back through there again. So it's in continual wash instead of putting in a mash tun and just let it steepen for the most part. It's washing all the grains, so you get more efficiency. So anyways, I have it set up here. If you look on the tower of power, the temperature of the mash right now is at 147.9. I want it to be 152. So I set it to 152. I'm going to hit enter. That's going to lock in my temperature. And once I put it on auto, what this does, it sends a signal back to the burner in the propane tank. Kicks on when it gets below 152. Heat will turn on, bring it back up to, bring it about to 154. It always goes a couple of degrees higher, and then it'll kick off. And then it will slowly let it do its thing, drop in temperature, it'll automatically kick right back on. So this unit per se is kind of like a set it and forget it type of unit on your mash. You set your temperature, what you want it at, and it'll just circulate it. And like I said, if you look down here how cloudy everything is, pretty soon this will all get a lot clearer once you know the starches are converting to your sugars. Everything will clear up a lot better. And then eventually, once we're done with this hour of the recirculation, we're going to hit this lever over to our boil kettle. I'll do 1.5 gallons per minute when I take my liquid out of the mash into the boil kettle. But before that, we'll take this hot liquor kettle here. We're going to get that going right now, so that heats the water up to 200 degrees. Then I'm going to put this unit into my mash, which is water just trickles out, I'll show you that, and it washes the grains more evenly. Like I used to use a colander in a pot when I did it on the stove, but this will spread water over the grain bed and get it nice as you're sparging your grains to get it into your boil. So all right, we'll let this go for an hour and I'll get back to you.